Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can get a link of a board in money.com. So if you have a board and you'd like to get its link to share it with your colleagues, it is very simple to do so. Although there is not a dedicated button to get the link, like you see there is no button to get the link, but it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is to open the correct board. Like I want to get link of this board, so I open up this board, and then in your browser you see on the top there is this link automatically generated. So all you have to do is to double click on it and then right click and copy. So now the link is copied, and you can send it to your colleagues, you can send it to anybody you like, and they'll be able to access this board if they have the right permissions. So let me quickly show you by entering this link, and it will take me to my money.com board. As you can see, it has opened up the board in money.com. So that's how you get the link to a board in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.